Welcome to the invitation tutorial. I will try to explain this as quickly as possible because we have so many to go for. So let's start with the basics. If you want a template already made, all what you have to do is come here, templates, and pick one from a lot of templates that we offer you. We have a lot. Okay, so you pick one of these, and then all what you have to do is change the names, the whatever, the date, the addresses, whatever you want. If you want to have more introduction, like more text than this, you could create a two-sided card, front and back. This is the back, this is the front, this is the back. Okay, so what you do is you pick a template for your back, or the same template. You just click on the same template and then add the information you want to add, or if you want to upload your own. So this is for two languages, French, English, or two other different languages, whatever you want, for front and back for two different languages. Okay, now we have video cards. Video card is something that you could buy from many other websites that they offer you to buy cards. They have video cards now, so you could have the letters moving, or you could have yourself being filmed inviting the people to the event, so you'll pop up from the card as yourself, bride and groom, or birthday, or whatever it is, the event. So you'll pop up from that card, and then you'll be saying whatever you want to tell them in person instead of inviting them with the card. So you could do that too, plus the text. So let's assume you picked this card, and then you want to, as I said, you could just play around with this. You could change the text, you could change the font, you could change the color of the font, you could play a little bit around. And this is opacity for how you want the card, how do you want the text to show, how strong. Okay, and then the same thing for when you want to add a text yourself. And then add a sticker is, let's say you want to add something to the card to make it look different, or you want to give it something. And then let's give you an example. Let's add this, and let's put it here somewhere. And then you could play around with it, and and then when you play with the opacity here, it will, hello, doesn't want to answer me. Okay, and then you could send it backward, so the text in front of it will show in front of it, not behind it. So I gave you just an example here. I'm just playing around. Okay, add an image. It's if you want to add your actual image. Okay, let's go to my desktop. I should have a lot of images. Let's add just any image here. Okay, as an example, you see there happens to be a light. I'm sorry. So you could just play around. So it could be your image, could be someone's image, and then whatever you want to do with it, you could do. And then if you don't want it, you just delete it. So this is add image. Add image works too for making your card elsewhere and bringing it here. This is where you go. You upload it from here. You add your image or your video from here. Okay. The duplicate is for anything picked. You duplicate that. Clear the card is to make it go blank on a white page. This is what you do when you just open this page. Make that and then start from scratch. Animations is how do you want people to receive the card? Do you want it animated right to left envelope, or no animation? Or if it's a birthday, whatever, we have few different animation type. For weddings, I would go for this. For corporate, maybe I'll go no animation. For save the date, I'll go no animation, as you wish. Download the card. Once you're done, you could download it for safekeeping, just in case anything happens, so you have it. A stamp is what you want to upload to show on the card. I'm going to give you the example. I'm going to open this, and now it's a stamp uploaded. Preview. You're going to see that picture popping on the envelope. It's right here. See? So this could be your logo, your initials, your pictures, whatever you want. It's like Stantable, it's like whatever you want to call it. And then flip the card. See? This is what people get. If it's a video, you'll see the video here. Okay? Now you say, oh, I don't want the stamp. Just delete it right here. Delete the stamp, so no more stamp. So add a card is, we have, you know, bunch of cards here too that you could start from scratch and write whatever you want on it. See, you could here, let's say this, you could use this card and then here add your image in the middle and then, you know, cover all this that you don't need. And redo and undo the preview. Now the envelope, this is an important, very important section, okay? Envelope and background. Here, what you write is what people get in the SMS, so, or the WhatsApp, or even on the email. So when you send it an SMS to someone, they're gonna see this message: we invite you to our wedding. Do not, you know, put like twice the same thing. If you saw something twice on the SMS, come here and change it right here, okay? Meaning, if, because it says the event is wedding, so we invite you to our wedding, so twice wedding, you want to take out one, you come here and take this one out, okay? Here you could change the font, the color of the font on the envelope, the inner color of the envelope, the outer color of the envelope, okay? And this is the guest names on the envelope color. All right. So here you tell me you want to change the color. Come choose from as many as you want. See? And then you have a picker too. You could pick. Come here and pick this color, whatever color you want, and then it will happen. Okay. Now, these options is what your guest will get in the invitation if you click them. Let's say you don't want to have gifts. You don't want no money transfer, no gifts. So deselect this. So your guest will not gonna get this page. Oh, you say I don't want to do a website for my event. Just remove it. They will not gonna see it. Same thing for all the rest. Okay, so if you're making save the date, untick everything as an example. So remove everything and then save the changes before you do. Pick your, you know, your back. Whatever you want them to see as you know, let's say it's a wedding, we show this, save changes, preview, look, it's gonna change now, bang. Okay, so, and as you noticed, no more sticker, nothing, it's gone. And then we pick that card now, so we go back and forth to this one. Okay, it's very simple. It's very important that you understand this, because this is your bread and butter. Okay, so move backward, forward. This is if you have two images, this is, you use this, the video card, as I said. And that's it for the invitation card. Hopefully I did not miss anything. If you have any questions, please text me or email me to info@clickinvitation.com. Thank you.